In this video, I'll show you how to add textures in Blender. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Watch this video from the beginning to the very end. So click on Edit, click on Preferences, just follow every step. Look at these add-ons, click on it. Come on here, type in Node. So make sure yours is currently enabled. So mine is enabled. So I'm going to do this. So go to Shading, wait for it to open up. So this is it. So I'm going to just click on it. Now increase it. Increase it. Increase it. Now type Control Shift T. So this is gonna come out. So if you followed my instructions, your file is gonna come out from this option here. You can see there's no item here, but if you followed my instructions and if you have saved your file, make sure you save your file. It's gonna come out here. So click on Principal Texture Setup. Once you click on it, you're gonna be able to add up this texture in your Blender. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe.